Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when 500 years ago, when he was present on this earth, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas, and upon his mother's request, he went from Navadvip, Bengal, and he stayed in Jagannath Puri. Then after Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to Jagannath Puri, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to Vrindavan. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas in 1510 AD, and at the age of 24 years, and then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to Jagannath Puri and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stayed there. 1515 AD, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to Vrindavan. And then after coming back from Vrindavan, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again came back to Jagannath Puri. Now, as long as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to be in Jagannath Puri, all his devotees from different parts of Bengal, they would frequently make pilgrimage trips to Jagannath Puri to have darshan of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Whenever any party would make a plan to take a group of people and go on the pilgrimage, just like we also, when we plan to go on a pilgrimage, what do we first do? We sit and start working out what are the costs. How much for the bus? How much for the prasadam? How much for the accommodation? We make one full budget. Similarly, those days also they would have had costs to cover. Who will cover their costs? There used to be one devotee called Shivananda Sena. He was a grihastha. Whenever there would be any group of devotees going to Jagannath Puri to have darshan of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Jagannath, Shivananda Sena would give them all the money required for their pilgrimage. He would underwrite their budget. Shivananda Sena was a great devotee. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came back from Vrindavan to Jagannath Puri, the news reached Swarup Damodar Goswami. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had gone for some time. So news had reached Navadvip that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is not in Puri. So they were all waiting when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will come back. The moment Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came back, Swarup Damodar Goswami, he spread the news everywhere in Navadvip and other parts of Bengal. Mahaprabhu has come back to Jagannath Puri. Whoever wants can make a visit and have darshan of the Lord. Naturally, some devotees all got excited and they all got together and said, let us go. And Shivananda Sena organized the whole thing. And Shivananda Sena also went with them. And they were doing kirtan along the way and glorifying Mahaprabhu, and they were going. When they were going, it so happened that one dog also tagged along. One street dog. தெருவில் எல்லாம் நம்ம போகும்போது ஏதாவது நிறைய நாய் இருக்கும்ல. ஸோ அந்த நாய்க்கு நம்ம ஏதாவது சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு ஏதாவது கொடுத்தோம்னா நம்ம கூட நடந்துட்டு வரும். So the dog also, because somebody must have given it some prasadam, the dog also tagged along. It started going with the group of Vaishnavas. And somehow Shivananda Sena got attached to the dog. And one point there came a river which they had to cross by boat. Everybody got into the boat and they all paid Shivananda Sena paid their fees, so much amount of money for each person. And the dog also jumped in. When the boatman saw the dog, hey, chup, hey, get out. He started shooing the dog out. Then Shivananda Sena said, no, why are you shooing the dog? The dog is with us. Take money for the dog also. The boatman, okay, what is there? If the dog, you are paying for it, no problem for me. Let that also sit. Dog also got a ticket. And they crossed the river. And they continued on their journey. They were going. And finally, one day, they put camp at night someplace. Because they were traveling by foot. So it would take several days to reach Jagannath Puri from Navadvip. And they put camp every night, they would put camp at some place and they would rest for the night. Again in the morning, they would pack up everything and continue. This used to be the system. That night, they put camp in one place and Shivananda Sena went somewhere. For some work, he went. When he came back, they organized for his dinner. They put his plate and put prasadam and all that. And he asked, where is the dog? Did you give the dog the food? Did you give prasadam to the dog? Then that man said, oh, sorry, Shivananda Sena, I forgot to feed the dog. So Shivananda Sena became very upset. Oh, what is this? Should take care of everyone. Where is the dog? Find the dog. So they all started looking for the dog. Dog is not to be seen. The dog must have got hungry and gone somewhere. Shivananda Sena was very upset. He sent 10 people go in different directions and search where is the dog and bring him here and feed him. They searched, they could not find him. Shivananda Sena was so upset, he fasted that night. He also did not eat. He said, if the dog has not eaten, I will also not eat. He did not eat. He slept like that. Next day morning, they all got up and packed their bags and they started the journey. Anyway, the dog is gone. So everybody forgot and they started walking. Finally, they reached Jagannath Puri. And when they reached Jagannath Puri, there were arrangements made. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had got news that this group is coming. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had told the devotees there and Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya and other devotees, and they had made some arrangements for their accommodation, for their prasadam. So all the devotees came, they were welcomed nicely, they took bath and they had prasadam. Then they went to meet Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When they went to meet Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they saw Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was sitting in one place. And next to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is sitting? The dog is sitting. Somehow the dog had reached Puri and it had reached Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's place. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, it was sitting right next to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And what was Chaitanya Mahaprabhu doing? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in his hand, that inside the tender coconut, you have that little coconut pulp, no? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was having that in his hand. One piece he would throw. Krishna bolo, Hari bolo, Rama bolo. He is telling the dog. And the dog, what is the dog doing? Dog is biting that, eating. Krishna, Krishna. It is chanting and it is eating. All the devotees were astonished to see this. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is patting the dog. The devotees were all ecstatic. Shivananda Sena was very happy. Acha, finally, the dog is getting prasadam from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's own lotus hands. What more to this one? And it is chanting, the dog is chanting Krishna's holy names. And after that, from that time, the next day onwards, nobody could see the dog. The dog had gone back to Vaikuntha. Why? Because somehow Shivananda Sena had got attached to the dog. And Shivananda Sena is one of the gopis. And therefore, because of his kripa, even the dog got liberated directly by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself. Sri Chaitanya Padambhoja Madhupebhyo Namon Namaha Karhichin Ashrayad Yesham Shwapi Tadgandha Bhag Bhavet. In the Chaitanya Charitamrita, Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Maharaj says, I offer my obeisances again and again to the devotees of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sri Chaitanya Padambhoja Madhupebhyaha. The devotees of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they are all like madhu. They are all like bees, honey bees. And they are drinking the honey from where? Sri Chaitanya Padambhoja. They are always drinking the nectar like honey bees from the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. To such devotees, I offer my obeisances again and again. Karhichin Ashrayad Yesham. Yesham Ashrayad. If somebody takes shelter of these devotees of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, even once, somehow or the other, somebody takes shelter of these devotees of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, what happens? Shva api, even a dog, Tadgandha Bhag Bhavet, he becomes a rightful shareholder of relishing the fragrance of the lotus. Of which lotus? The lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Simply somehow taking shelter of Shivananda Sena, that dog became eligible to become an associate of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. It got the great fortune of sitting next to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and being fed by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's own lotus hands. Because he took shelter of one of the devotees of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Such are the glories of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, such are the glories of his devotees.